Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Solution. This lecture contains about multiplexer. Multiplexer is a combinational circuit which is very important for gate. Okay, so let us take the definition of multiplexer. This multiplexer is also known as MUX. Okay, it is a combinational circuit that select out of n input based on selection line and provide it on its output. Okay, that means let us suppose this is logic circuit for MUX. Okay, in which there are n inputs. Okay, there are n inputs and here this is known as selection line or select line. Okay, let us suppose this is n. Okay, and one output. Okay, the relation between this input and this selection line is given by 2 की power n. Okay, is equal to n. It is either equal to or less than this. Okay, this input is either equal to 2 की power n or it is less than 2 की power n. Okay, so this is the basic diagram of multiplexer in which there are n inputs, capital N inputs and small n selection line, and there is one output. Okay, this is the basic relation between selection line and input. Okay, so on the basis of this multiplexer is also known as many to one converter. Okay, this is also known as parallel to serial converter. This multiplexer is also known as data selector. Okay, based on this selection line, okay, this input is passed towards output. Okay, let us suppose this selection line n equal to 2. Okay, then there are maximum input, that is n is equal to 2 की power 2. Okay, there are maximum 4 input present here. Okay, if n equal to 3, this selection line is 3, then the input present here is 2 की power 3, that is 8. If it is 4, then input is 16. Okay, and output is always 1. Okay, that's why it is also known as many to one converter. Okay, let us first understand that how the selection line is used to pass the input towards output. So let us start with very basic multiplexer, that is 2 cross 1 MUX, in which this 2 is input and this 1 is output. Okay, so this is the basic structure of MUX, 2 cross 1 MUX, in which 2 input and 1 output. Okay, and this is selection line. If this selection line is 1, okay, that's why this input is 2 की power 1, that is 2. If n equal to 1, then input must be n equal to 2 की power 1, that is 2. Okay, This represented as 0 and 1. I0 and I1. Okay. Let us the name given this selection line is S. Based on this selection line, this input is passed towards this output. Okay. This selection has two possible combination, that is S bar and S. Here the selection line is 1. Okay. So the total minterm possible is 2 based on 2 की power 1, that is 2, and it is 0 and 1. It can also be represented as S bar and S. If it is 0, then it is passed through this I0. Okay. And if it is 1, then it is passed towards this output. Let us understand with 4x1 mux. Okay. In which one output and there are 4 input. And it has 2 selection line. Let us suppose this is S1 and this is S0. Okay. So here it is 2 selection line. Okay. So based on this 2 selection line, there are 4 possible minterms. That is S1 bar S0 bar, S1 bar S0, S1 S0 bar, and S1 S0. In decimal system, it is represented by 0, it is 1, it is 2, and it is 3. Okay. So here we can also represent it by 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Or I0, I1, I2, I3. Based on this selection line only, this input is passed towards this output. So let us, this output is Y. So we can directly write its output in terms of this logical expression, that is if it is S1 bar S0 bar, then this I0 is passed towards this output. So I0. Okay. If it is S1 bar and S0, then this I1 is passed towards output. Okay. This S1 bar and S0, then this I1 is passed towards output. If it is S1 S0 bar, then this I2 is passed towards output. Okay. S1 S0 bar, then this I2 is passed towards this output. Okay. If it is S1 S0, then this I3 is passed towards this output. So this is the logical expression for this mux. Okay. We can also realize it by using logic circuit. So let us realize this by using logic circuit. So realize 4x1 mux using logic circuit. Okay. So here there are 2 selection line with 2, the total 4 possible combination is this is S1 and this is S0. Okay. First we take S1 bar and S0. S1 bar and S0. And the input is I0. Okay. Let us, this is input I0. Here a AND gate is present. Okay. Next is S1 bar and S0. S1 bar and S0. And here input is I1. Okay. Next is S1 and S0 bar. S1 and S0 bar. And input is I2. Next is S1 and S0. S1 and S0. And input is I3. Okay. And these all are summed by a OR gate. This is output. So basically this is the logic circuit which is present inside the mux. Okay, this is the representation of a multiplexer, and this is the logic circuit which is present inside this mux. Okay, so this is the realization of 4x1 mux using logic circuit. We can realize it any mux using this logic circuit. Okay, let us take one more basic mux, that is 8x1 mux, in which there are 8 input and 1 output. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, and it must be 3 selection line. If it is 3, then 2 की power n, that is 8 input is present here. Okay, and 1 output, that is y. It is represented by 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, or we can also represent it like I0, I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, I6, I7. Based on this selection line, let us suppose this is this selection line named as S2, S1, S0. Based on this selection line only, this input is passed towards this output. Let us suppose this selection line is S1, S2, S1 and S0 bar. That means this S2 represent 1, S1 represent 1 in binary, and S0 represent 0. That means this has a decimal value of 6. So this I6 is passed towards output. Okay, so the total 8 possible combination. So the output here y equal to, we can write like this, that is S2, S1, S0 bar bar bar, and this I0 is pass through this selection line. Okay, next is 1, that is S2, S1 and S0. Then this I1 is passed. Next is S2, S1, S0, that is I2, this is bar, and this I2 is passed. Likewise S2, S1 and S0. This is decimal representation of 7, so I7 is passed through this. Okay, in this way this output is written. Okay, based on this, let us solve some problem which was asked in GATE. This question was asked in GATE 2014, in which a 8x1 multiplexer is used to implement this logical function y. Then find out the output y. Okay, so how to solve this multiplexer question? So this is input line and this is selection line. Based on this, this output is find out. Okay, so what is output for this? Here the selection line is S2, S1 and S0 is given by A, B, C, in which S2 is MSB and S0 is LSB. MSB, that means most significant bit, and LSB, that is least significant bit. Okay, so based on this selection line, this input is passed through this output. So how to write the output of this multiplexer? Okay, let us write all possible combination through this selection line. There are total 8 possible combination through this selection line because it has 3 selection line. 3 selection line, so total possible combination is 2 to the power 3, that is 8. So let us first write the total possible combination. Okay, that is A bar, B bar, C bar. Okay, in decimal representation it is 0. Okay, if it is A bar, B bar, C bar, so this I0 is passed through this output. Okay, and here this I0 first we write as it is, this is I0. Okay, next is A bar, B bar, C, and this I1 is passed. Okay, next is A bar, B, C, and this I2 is passed. Next is A bar, B, C bar. Next is A bar, B, C, and this I3 is passed. And next is A, B, A bar, B bar, C bar, and this I4 is passed. Okay, next is A, B bar, C, this I5 is passed, and next is A, B, C bar, and this I6 is passed, and next is A, B, C, and this I7 is passed. If we write the binary of this selection line, so we can write it 0, 0, 0, it is 0, 0, 1, it is 0, 1, 0, and it is 0, 1, 1, and it is 1, 0, 0, it is 1, 0, 1, and it is 1, 1, 0, and it is 1, 1, 1. Its decimal equivalent is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, if it is 0, then this I0 is passed. If it is 1, in decimal, if it is 1, then this I1 is passed. If it is 2, then this I2 is passed. If it is 3, then this I3 is passed. Based on this, if it is 7, then this I7 is passed. Okay. Next, write all the value of this I0, I1 up to this I7. Okay. Then we get the answer. So here it is A bar, B bar, C bar, and this I0 is 0. This I0 is 0. Okay. Next is A bar, B bar, C, and this I1 is D. Next is this A bar, B, C bar, and this I2 is 0. Next is A bar, B, C, and this I3 is D. Next is A, B bar, C bar, and this I4 is 0. Next is A, B bar, C, and this I5 is also 0. Okay. Next is A bar, B, C bar, and this I6 is 1. Sorry, A, B, C bar, and this I6 is 1, and next is A, B, C, and this I7 is 0. Okay. If we multiply this A bar, B bar, C into 0, then it will become 0. Okay. And this all where if we multiply 0, then it will become 0, and if it is multiplied by 1, then it will become the same function. Okay. If A, B, C complement is multiplied by 1, then it will become A, B, C complement. So this is cancel out, this is cancel out, this is cancel out, and this is cancel out. This is also cancel out. So answer is A complement, B complement, C, D. This is the answer. Next is this plus A complement, B, C, D, and next is A, B, C complement. We can solve it further by taking common in this and in this A, C, D, then common is B complement plus B plus A, B, C complement. And from Boolean algebra we know that B plus B complement equal to 1. So answer is A complement C, D plus A, B, C complement. This is the answer. Okay. This question was asked in GATE 2005, in which the Boolean function f, which is passed through this two multiplexer, is given by. We have to find the output of this f. What is the output of this f? Okay, this is a 2x1 multiplexer, in which this B is a selection line. This is also a 2x1 multiplexer. The output of this first multiplexer is behaves as a selection line of this multiplexer. Okay, so let us find the output of this first multiplexer. Okay, here it is only one selection line. Okay, so there are two possible combinations, that is B bar and B. If it is B bar, then this I0 is passed. Okay, if it is B bar, then this I0 is passed. Okay, and if it is B, then this I1 is passed. Okay, this will become E. Okay, so let us write this first. This E equal to this B bar, and this I0 is equal to C. Okay, next is B, and this I0 equal to C bar. Okay, so this will behave as a selection line for this multiplexer. So what is the output for this multiplexer? That is, if it is E bar, then this I0 is passed, which is given by 0. Okay, and if it is E, then this I1 is passed, which is A. Okay, If you multiply E bar into 0, it will become 0. So F equal to E into A. And here E is given by B complement C plus B C complement into A. We can also write it like B XOR C into A, or we can also write it like A B complement C plus A B C complement. This is the answer for this question. Okay. This question was asked in GATE 2007, in which this Boolean function x is implemented by using this 2 multiplexer. Okay, we have to find the value of this x. This is a 4x1 marks. Okay, and this is also a 4x1 marks. Okay, in which the output of this first multiplexer behaves as a selection line for this multiplexer. Okay, in this S1 is MSB, whereas this S0 is LSB. Okay, so let us suppose this is D. Let us find the output of this first multiplexer. Okay, so D equal to, it has 4 possible combination, that is A bar B bar. Okay, A bar B, A B bar and A B. Okay, with A bar B bar I0 is passed, with A bar B I1 is passed, with A B bar I2 is passed, and with A B this I3 is passed. Okay, so let us put the value of I0, I1, I2, I3, which is given here. Okay, so D equal to A bar B bar into 0 plus A bar B into 1 plus A B bar into 1 plus A B into 0. If you multiply this A bar B bar into 0, it will become 0, and it will also become 0. So D equal to A bar B plus A B bar. Okay, this is behaves as a selection for this multiplexer. So output for this x is given by, this is D bar C bar I0 plus D bar C I1 plus D C bar I2 plus D C I3. Okay, put the value of I1, I2, I3, I1, I2, I3, which is given here. Okay, we get D bar C bar I0 equal to 0 plus D bar C I1 equal to 1 plus D C bar I2 equal to 1 plus D C I3 equal to 0. It will become 0, and put the value of D here. We can also write it like A bar B plus A B bar is also written as A XOR B. Okay, so x equal to the complement of this A XOR B is given as A XNOR B into C plus A XOR B into C bar. If you solve it further, then we get x equal to A XNOR B is given as A B plus A complement B complement into C plus A XOR B is given as A complement B plus A B complement into C complement. If we expand it further, then we get A B C, multiply this C into this and in this, plus A complement B complement C plus A complement B C complement plus A B complement C complement. This is the answer for this question. This question was asked in GATE 2014, in which the multiplexer logic circuit is given. Find out the Boolean function f for this multiplexer circuit. Okay, it is a 2x1 multiplexer circuit. It is also a 2x1 multiplexer circuit, and output of this multiplexer circuit behaves as a input for this multiplexer circuit. So let us find the output of this multiplexer circuit. Okay, the output of this multiplexer circuit is given by Z. Okay, so if it is, this is selection line S1, with one selection line, the two possible combination, that is S1 bar and S1. If it is S1 bar, then this I0 is passed, and if it is S1, then this I1 is passed. Okay, so Z equal to, if this is S1 bar, then this I0 is passed. Okay, and if it is S1, then this I1 is passed. Okay, so here I0 given as W, and this W is passed through an inverter, so it will become W bar. Okay, so this I1 is equal to W bar. Okay, plus S1 W bar. Okay, we can also write it like, this is in the form of A complement B plus A B complement. We can also write it like S1 XOR W. This is Z. Okay, this will behave as a input for this multiplexer. So write the output function f for this multiplexer. If it is S2 bar, then this I0 is passed, and if it is S2, then this I1 is passed. Okay, here I0 is given as Z, and this is passed through inverter, so it will become as a Z bar plus S2 Z bar. Okay, put the value of Z. Here we get S2 complement. Z is given as S1 XOR W plus S2, and Z is given as S1 XOR W complement. Okay, it is also in the form of A complement B plus A B complement, so we can also write it like S2 XOR S1 XOR W. This is the answer for this question. Okay, thank you.